All right, now that we've got our chocolate sprinkles in our pan, I'm just coming in with my condensed milk, and I'm just going to squeeze this condensed milk all along the pan here. We want to get a nice coating of that at the top/bottom of our pan. And you can also drizzle just a little bit on the sides. There we go. That's looking really good. Just gonna get all of this in. Now I'm coming in with some chopped walnut pieces, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle these right into that sweetened condensed milk. We're making a super delicious fancy dessert today, done the easy way. Now this is a chocolate lover's dream, so I'm going to add in my Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. We're just gonna put all of these in here, creating a nice chocolate layer. It goes perfect with those chocolate sprinkles, those walnuts. That looks delicious. Now I'm just gonna move this to the side for a second. I've got my Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix here, and we're just gonna soup this up a bit. I'm gonna add in some of these walnut pieces. I love a walnut with brownies. And I'm gonna add in the rest of my chocolate chips. I'm just kind of cleaning out what I had in my pantry today. And I'm gonna add in some mini marshmallows. We're just gonna get these all incorporated into our brownie mix. We just made the mix according to the instructions on the box. Of course, you can make your own brownie mix from scratch, but we're doing this the quick and easy way today. This is gonna be such a delicious, yummy dessert, incorporating all this wonderful ingredients and treats. Y'all, I cannot wait for you to see how this comes out. Alrighty, I'm bringing back in my cake pan here. I'm just gonna start getting this brownie mix filled in there. Look at that. This is gonna be like a delicious rocky road with our brownies. We've got those walnuts, extra chocolate chips, the marshmallows, and we are making this into a delicious, wonderful dessert. It's gonna be so beautiful, lots of appeal with the eyes, perfect to serve at a party, and pretty easy to whip up. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350. Because it's pretty thick, it's gonna take about 45 minutes to cook. Alrighty, y'all, we baked this at 350 for 45 minutes, our Rocky Road brownie cake here. I'm just gonna grab my plate just like this. I'm gonna move this to the edge, and in one foul swoop, woo! Oh, wow. Look at that. That sweet condensed milk just frosted our cake itself. We've got those delicious walnuts and chocolate chips underneath. Oh my God, this looks so good. Brownie cake, those marshmallows inside. Oh, crumbly, cooked perfectly. Let me just get this out. I'm gonna get myself a plate here. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. So good. Y'all, I cannot wait to get this fudgy brownie cake a try. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, this is so good. Y'all, you've got to try it.